What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2021 Kia Stinger. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. The cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Now, if we take a look on the right-hand side, we see this dampening latch right here. What you want to do is get your finger around it and just pull it off like that. Now there's two stops that we need to remove, one on each side of the glove box. And these are just going to twist out of there. And then once you get them loosened, they'll pull out like that. Same thing over here. Twist and pull out. Once you get the second one down, it'll allow the glove box to drop down like that. And now this item here is the access door to the cabin filter. And on the left-hand side, there's this pinch clip. You just pinch those little clips, and then it'll allow that door to swing off like that. And now we can see our actual filter right here. And I don't have this one. I'm going to have to come back to it. But one thing I want to point out is when you put your new filter in, make sure you're paying attention to this airflow. You want your airflow going down towards the floor. And then once you have your new filter in, you reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab our access door. And you need to start the right-hand side in first. There's those two little tabs that fit on there. And then that'll clip shut. And now we can pick our glove box up, take that stop and put it back in, twist it into place. Come over here, same thing with this one. Lock that into place. And then the last thing we need to do is come back down here and put that dampening latch back on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.